City slickers, gather round, buckle up for the ultimate breakdown of the 2024 Opel Corsa, the pint-sized hatchback that promises big things. But is it all sunshine and rainbows, or are there hidden storm clouds lurking under its stylish hood? Today we peel back the paint and dissect this urban warrior, leaving no bolt unturned as we answer the burning question: should you buy the 2024 Opel Corsa? Let's start where it matters most, the wallet. The Corsa starts at a tempting €16,490, making it a budget-friendly option in the crowded city car scene. But here's the shocker: it doesn't feel cheap. Opel has upped the ante with high-quality materials and a surprisingly well-equipped cabin for the price. Opel hasn't skimped on tech goodies either. Smartphone connectivity keeps you plugged in, while advanced driver assistance systems like lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking keep you safe. And if you crave comfort, heated seats and a panoramic sunroof are ready to pamper you on your urban adventures. Under the hood, you'll find a choice of peppy engines. The base 1.2-liter offers decent pep for city commutes, while the punchier 1.5-liter turbo is a thrill-seeker's delight, zipping from 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 10 seconds. And fear not, eco-warriors. A fully electric Corsa is joining the party later this year, promising zero emissions and whisper-quiet cruising. The Corsa sheds its previous bubbly look for a sharper, more mature design. LED headlights flank a bold grille, giving it a sporty stance. Inside, the minimalist dashboard houses a slick infotainment system, keeping everything at your fingertips. But the biggest surprise, the drive. The Corsa handles corners with surprising agility, making it a blast to navigate tight city streets. So, should you buy the 2024 Opel Corsa? The answer is a resounding maybe, with a big exclamation mark. It's a fantastic city car that punches above its weight in terms of design, performance, and tech. But before you rush to sign the dotted line, consider your needs. If you prioritize pure budget, there are cheaper options. But if you want a stylish, fun, and surprisingly well-equipped city car that won't break the bank, the Corsa is a seriously tempting proposition.